Unlocking the charm of idioms. Time to hit the hay, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a very common yet picturesque phrase, time to hit the hay. If you've ever wondered what it means and where it comes from, you're in the right place. Let's explore this idiom together and add another gem to your English language treasure trove. Time to hit the hay is a colloquial expression used to say that it's time to go to bed or time to sleep. The phrase paints a vivid picture, doesn't it? But why hit and why hay? It all ties back to history and the way people used to sleep. This idiom is a great example of how language evolves yet keeps traces of the past alive. To understand this expression, we need to take a brief journey back in time. In the past, mattresses were often filled with hay, straw, or similar materials. Hitting the hay literally meant to pat or adjust the hay in one's mattress before lying down for the night. This action ensured a more comfortable sleeping surface. Over time, the phrase evolved from a literal action into a metaphorical one, signifying the act of going to bed. This phrase is informal and typically used in casual conversations. It's perfect for telling friends or family that you're exhausted and ready to call it a night. Here are a few examples of how you might use it. I've had a long day at work. It's time to hit the hay. We have an early start tomorrow, so I think it's time to hit the hay. Remember, while it's a fun and colorful expression, it's best reserved for informal settings. English is rich with idiomatic expressions for saying it's bedtime. Here are a few others you might hear. Time to turn in, time to hit the sack, time for bed. Each of these shares a similar sentiment but brings its own unique flavor to the conversation. And that wraps up our exploration of time to hit the hay. We hope you found this dive into English idioms both enlightening and entertaining. Idioms like these not only enrich your vocabulary but also offer a glimpse into the culture and history behind the language. Don't forget to practice using this phrase and others like it to sound more like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Sweet dreams, and remember, when it's time to rest, it might just be time to hit the hay.